Today we're learning how to make a homopolar motor. We will give you all the supplies that is going to be required. First, 2 AA batteries. Second, pliers. Third, copper wire. And last, these magnets. First, we're going to pile these magnets, and then we're going to put the AA battery on top of the magnets. So you place your battery on top of the magnets, and then you're gonna cut the wire. Make it long enough to be able to make your shape. At this point, you can make the shape the way that you want it. It can be a square, it can be like a little circles. That's what I end up making, a circle. And we're gonna use that wire to put it around the battery, so you can see that it's gonna go inside the battery all the way to the magnets. At this moment, you can get an adult to help you. A homopolar motor is the most basic example of an electrical motor. Now you can see it here how it moves. I hope you will enjoy making it like we did.